Hey guys, welcome back to Cara's Cakes. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. Today's video is going to be a fall clean and decorate with me, and I'm also going to bake some cookies later on in the video, so keep on watching for that. So here in the video, I'm just cleaning up the kitchen, and you'll see Seamus go by with the vacuum cleaner there in a second. And I'm just cleaning and dusting up the house, getting ready to decorate for fall. Oh, as you can see here, I'm just showing you that I'm using a Swiffer duster that has the extendable handle and also a Norwex duster glove. I use both of these things around the house to get the dust off of everything, and I'm just going around, and you'll see the dog following me around because he thinks that this Swiffer duster is his toy. But anyways, I go around the house cleaning everything off, and then I'm going to get started by taking out all of the fall decorations that I already have. Alright guys, so as you can see, I went through all the decorations I already have, and I'm just running into a few other stores to see if there's anything else that I like. I'm going to run to the Dollarama, I'm going to go to Michael's and Winners, I think. So I'll bring you along with me. Let's go shopping. I just came out of Michael's and now I'm going into Winners, right there. I got two cute little pumpkin candles at Michael's that were kind of on sale. I probably paid too much for them, but they were cute and there was only a few left, so I got them. So now I'm just gonna head into Winners and see if they have anything. I got a few things at the dollar store. I don't need any more, but I'm just gonna have a look at Winners. I did get a table runner at Winners that's like, I think it's called Buffalo Plaid. It's like the black and white check. So I did get that, but I'm just gonna try one more place. And I forgot I didn't go to Walmart, so I'm gonna go to Walmart and see what they have. But okay guys, I'm home and I'm gonna show you everything I got at the Dollarama, Winners, Michael's, and Walmart. So I picked up these long garlands. I had some from last year, but they have all these foam balls on them and they keep falling off and getting everywhere. Nothing's gonna fall off this one, so I might wrap these around the curtain rod. So I got two of those, and I saw something similar to these at Michael's. These ones were $3 each, and I saw ones at Michael's that were very similar. They might be longer, but they were $20, and that's just crazy. So I got these microfiber kitchen towels. I also got these metallic pumpkin light sets. They were $3 each, and they have 6 little pumpkins, and there's a spot for you to put the batteries. There's a little switch where you can switch it on and off. So I got 2 of those. I got 2 pumpkins. They were $3 each. I also got this, it's like a pumpkin lantern, I guess. It was $3, and I have one from last year, but I just wanted another one so I could have 2. So then at Michael's, the only things I got were those little candles. Just a little jar with a candle inside. And I got a white one and an orange one. Okay, so at Walmart, I found this little galvanized container. Anyways, and then I found this floral foam, and I'm gonna stick it in it. And then I got all these little picks. So I got a pumpkin one, and all these little picks were $1.98. So I got a pumpkin one, some like eucalyptus, I guess, some more greenery, and then another little fall pumpkin one. I also got these 3 wooden things at Walmart. So this one was $4.98, it's a little squirrel. Then I got 2 pumpkins, they were also $4.98. And then this is the last thing I got at Walmart. It's 3 pumpkins stacked up, and I just thought it was really cute. And then the only thing that I got at Winners is this table runner. So it's like, I guess it's called Buffalo Plaid. And that's everything I got. So I am gonna put my groceries away, and then I'm gonna get decorating. Okay, so it's a little bit later and I finished decorating, so I'm going to go ahead and make some cookies. I'm making chocolate chip cookies with dark chocolate chunks. I'm going to put some mini Reese's Pieces in there as well. The recipe that I use for my chocolate chip cookies is actually right on the back of the Chip It's bag. And if you don't want to use Chip It's, you can find the recipe online, but I'll put it down in the description box as well. So we're going to measure out all the ingredients and get started. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. Scroll down to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. Thanks for watching.